Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that why my cars, truck or SUVs remote smart key is not working, and what are these three top issues in our cars remote key and that they are not working. And next I will show these things, and now I have really excellent set of really high quality cars remote smart keys, and this belongs to Lexus LS series, and in Lexus cars we can get all of these three type of keys, and these are really wireless keys and they are smart keys that we can only keep this in our hand or pocket and our car works. And what are most common issues in these keys? Firstly, these keys, all of these includes battery, and we have to purchase battery and replace new battery what is same type of what is inside in here. Later I will show that how we can replace these batteries in all of these different type of keys. And first issue is that we have to test that when we press that is there this light. There is, we can see that there is red light in here. This is first test, all buttons. And after that, if we have still issue that our car don't start and doors don't open, next one thing is that we have to check these cars programming and these keys inside program that it is same in car and in this key, because sometimes these keys lost this programming code, and this is like second thing. And third thing is that sometimes there is crack inside in these small smart keys inside circuit board, because if we hit that hard way or something very powerful hit becomes in here, this inside area can to be damaged, and there is really computer inside in here, and that's we have to purchase new key. And in like this my Lexus series, this new key cost $500, and I recommend always to purchase original parts because they last like 20 years, because this is aftermarket key and it is not so good than this original. This is like made in China and there is cheap parts inside. And then final thing, this fourth thing, that why this our car's remote key is not working is that sometimes our cars, this big battery in car engine area or trunk area it is bad and it has been became empty, and it means that even that our car's keys are okay, but if car's battery is dead, then this system it don't work. That remember four things what can be wrong in your car if you have issue in new car, even like in Tesla car, is that if you have credit card, first one is that this your credit card battery is empty, and same way in this smart keys, wireless keys, that battery is empty. Second is that we can't press these buttons, there is some issue, and also issue that our car circuit board is bad. This is the thing. And fourth thing, third thing is that all of these keys, they must be programmed in own code in our car's engine. There is, this key has own code, that one is own code, and that one also. Remember, all of they are unique. And the fourth thing is that this our car's battery or car's computer is bad. And remember that there is two sides, these keys and then these cars inside, battery and sensors. Okay, and next we can look at how I replace these batteries in these example keys. And please enjoy. Okay, and then when we continue that job, I really take this my Phillips head screwdriver and this is first screw, and then I open next one. There is four of these in here. And the third one, and then final screw in here. Okay, excellent. And after that, this door cap hat opens. There is even logo and there is type that what is this battery type. There is even stamp in here. Excellent. Toyota's and Lexus quality. And there is then this our battery, and idea is that there is small slot in here, and when I move that in up, battery opens nicely. And look, there is nice rubber gasket. This is original battery. It is water resistant little bit. And after that we need to go purchase new battery, and there is this type CR1632, and maker is Varta, and Varta is good company from Germany, good quality, and there are two of these, and we can purchase these batteries from internet, or then we can go to purchase this battery from Toyota and Lexus spare part desk, and they will sell this battery. This costs about $5 per piece. And remember to use high quality batteries. Do not use any non-brands made in China batteries, because weak battery can open and it leaks this poisons inside in this remote key, and this remote key cost really $500. This is so excellent made Toyota's and Lexus key, and that's use only high quality batteries, and high quality batteries are Varta and then Sony and Panasonic batteries, what I can recommend. And then when we install this battery pack, this is now new one. I replaced that in yesterday, and I installed that in here. Remember, it goes in sideways. This is the thing. Do not install in that way. Do not dump that, because it can go broken. There's a small dent in this area, and we have to install that in just in like this sideways 45 degrees, and then we only press this area a little bit with thumb, and it goes nicely in here. This is the trick. And then this cover goes only in one way. Do not install in this way. It goes in that way, and then we install this screws back. One and this, and there is my Phillips head screwdriver. And like very gentle we close. Do not use too much force, because we can damage these screws and also this plastic body. Good, and then in final one. In here. Okay, and now everything is okay, and next step is to test this my battery. That we have to see this small red light in here. Look, in this area. This must be in here. hood, everything works well. And that means now that we test all our buttons, that all of these must work. If you have 3 or 4 buttons, check that everything is working. And if you have any issue, then you have to go to purchase new key from Toyota dealership center. You can also try to open this part, but it is a little bit difficult. But if you have original Toyota's key, these last like 20 years. And then after that, when everything is fine, we install this cover back, and this goes not in that way. It goes only so that we look first these sides, and it goes starting from here. When I slide that in here, look, and this is like just it start to go, and then it goes nicely, and then I only press that in here, and final part is that we listen this sound. Okay, excellent. And then only key back, and also remember this sound. Okay, and now this Lexus key has been replaced. Then we have also this made in maybe USA or in China copy, and there is different type, because now we open this key in that way, and there is small dent in here, very interesting dent. It can be in your car, and there is purpose that we rotate that in this way, and then this cover like opens different way. Now it opens in that way, we look that is in here, and then we can use some flathead screwdriver and carefully bend that in this way. Okay. And now it opens, and note that this engineering is different. This is not so nice and modern like in this Japanese Tokarika. But in here we have possibilities to replace this remote keys, because this part opens. But this product, this is like different way made, and please check that which one you have. And in here we can see that there is same battery, but in here this opening is little bit different. We again need sharp head tool, and little bit carefully there is 1, 2, 3 small plastic dents, and carefully when we bend this opens, and now it even flies away. And also in here use similar Varta battery, and check this code, number code, that it is same like in your new battery. Check that these numbers are same, and in this type you install this battery now so that it goes in here, and you press only with your finger in here, because there is 1, 2, 3 of these small dents. And finally check that it is like same plane with the circuit board in that way. And now it's nicely, and then when we can even rotate that, and there is 3 buttons, and when we press that, check that this light blinks in here. Excellent, that button second, and third one in here up. Excellent, everything works fine. And next step is that I install this circuit board in here, and this goes really in one way, only one way. Check that these 2 buttons are in here, and in that area these 2 buttons are in here. If we install it wrongly, we can damage this circuit board. And this, if you damage this your circuit board, you can go to visit in Toyota dealership center, and they will sell new key to you, but this key needs reprogramming. There is small computer CPU unit in here, and this device, it must to be programmed, because this key has been connected to Lexus cars this main key computer, and there must be information that this code's number is located also inside in Lexus cars, this computer. And now when everything is okay, final part is to install this key pack, and in this area this goes now this type that I installed that in here, a little bit in sideways, and then I press this key with my thumbs that it makes this sound. And test also again that there is this light. Okay, yes, there is this light. It was only so weak in here. Yes, yes, this is now working. I check that. Please check all of these things. Yes, yes, everything works. Okay, cool. And then final part is to install this key pack in here, and it goes nicely in that way. And now this key it has been changed. And then we have final part. If you have this Lexus credit card key, this is like excellent wallet credit card thin part. There is battery in this area, and this is also I slip that away, and there is this battery nicely, and there is a little bit bigger battery in here in that spare part key, and this is like a CR2412, and this is like Panasonic battery. And really install this your key battery in same way back, and this battery is mandatory because this key makes wireless this network, and using this device there is no any buttons, but we can connect this device to this cabin areas start and press start and stop button, and then our car starts. And now I close that thing in this way, and now this key is ready for use. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend, and I believe that you have now learned something new. And see you in next movie.